Hi YouTube, this is another video about Beko washing machine WM5100W. I seen on internet so many people asking how to put washing machine into the test mode. Basically that's what do your repairman, and I couldn't find clear instructions how to do that. Basically I had to gather pieces there and there, so I would like to show you how to do that. You have to close your lid, switch on your selector on 90 degrees, press start, pause, and at the same time press on. Then keep it pressed until you see your light is flashing. Release. Then you switch your selector right to the bottom. On this model it's drain, spin drain, and press start, pause one more time, and then you see all the lights come up, start flashing all together. This is self-test mode. Literally on this machine, then you go through the selections, press 1, don't know, nothing happens. Press 2, it spins one way slowly as it would do some washing. Press one more time, it starts spinning another direction slowly again. Press one more time, it should start spinning very fast. Then as you switch second time, one of the water valves should open. Press one more time, should open another valve. Press one more time. They both open now, both water valves. And this is the end probably. And after all that self-test mode, you just switch it off, and it's self-test mode is returned to the normal. So when you will switch on again, it will go to any cycle you choose, washing cycle, spinning cycle. Right. So thank you for attention. This is information I would like to share with you guys. Bye.